This single update just changed the BMW key game completely, because what used to take dealer-level access, risky disassembly, and paid licenses can now be done cleanly, directly, and safely with one smart key tool. And if you work on modern BMWs, this is something you absolutely need to understand before your next job. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted hub for real-world automobile diagnostics and advanced key programming tools. Today we're breaking down the latest CGDI K2 update that allows full BMW BDC and BCP key copying, including both Hungary and Mexico key types. And yes, this works without extra licenses or adapters. If this kind of deep, money-saving diagnostic content helps you out, quickly hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates from Baabji Motors. Before we go any further, a quick standard disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. It is intended for professional technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts. Always follow manufacturer procedures and local laws when working on vehicles. All trademarks belong to their respective owners. Now here's where things get interesting. The CGDI K2 Smart Key tool has officially expanded its BMW capabilities, and this is not a small update. It now supports the full BMW BDC second generation, BDC third generation, and BCP system lineup. That includes unencrypted Hungary keys and encrypted Mexico keys, which is a big deal because Mexico keys were previously far more restricted. So here's the big question I want you to think about while watching. With tools like CGDI K2 now cloning encrypted BMW keys without licenses or teardown, how long before dealership-only key programming becomes a thing of the past? Stick around until the very end, because I'll share one critical insight most technicians still overlook with BMW BDC key work. Let's break down exactly what's new. First, full series BMW support. CGDI K2 now works across all BMW BDC second generation, BDC third generation, and BCP keys. That includes both Hungary production keys, which are unencrypted, and Mexico production keys, which use encryption. The tool automatically handles the differences internally, meaning you don't have to manually select regions or encryption types. Second, BMW LCD display keys are fully supported. These are the high-end digital display keys that many tools still struggle with. With CGDI K2, both reading and writing functions work properly when the procedure is followed correctly. Third, no module disassembly is required. You do not need to open the BDC or BCP module, which dramatically reduces risk, saves time, and keeps the vehicle safer from damage. Fourth, free activation. There is no paid license, no token system, and no hidden activation fee. Once you update the CGDI K2, these BMW functions are available immediately. Fifth, no extra adapter is needed. You only use the original soldering cable that comes in the CGDI K2 box. That's it. And finally, key compatibility. The system works with both original BMW keys and high-quality aftermarket keys, giving workshops more flexibility and better profit margins. Now let's walk through how BMW BDC or BCP key addition works using CGDI K2, using a BDC second-generation blade key as a real-world example. Here's what you need for the job. You'll need one working original BMW BDC second-generation key, one new blank key, the BMW BDC second-generation module installed in the vehicle or on bench, and the CGDI K2 key programmer. The first step is connecting the device and the key. You have two methods here. The first method is manually cutting and modifying the CGDI K2 soldering cable. This method is commonly used by experienced technicians who prefer flexible wiring. The second method is soldering the base directly to the key PCB following the illustrated soldering points. This is the cleaner and more stable option, especially for repeated work. Next comes reading the original key data. Using your chosen connection method, the CGDI K2 reads the data directly from the original BMW key. Once read, the system allows you to save this key file securely. This file is critical because it contains all the necessary authentication data required for cloning. Then comes writing the data to the new key. You properly connect CGDI K2 to the blank key. At this stage, the tool automatically erases any existing data on the blank key and writes the original BMW key data into it. Wait a few moments while the writing process completes. Once finished, the tool confirms success, and the new key is now fully added and functional. And yes, this is the moment where you realize your coffee didn't even have time to cool down before the job was done. Now here's the important insight I promised earlier. Even though CGDI K2 supports encrypted Mexico keys, using stable power supply and clean soldering makes a massive difference in success rate. Most failures don't come from the tool. They come from rush connections. So to answer the earlier question, dealer-only BMW key programming is no longer exclusive. With tools like CGDI K2, independent technicians now have real control, provided they work carefully and responsibly. From my personal experience, this update makes CGDI K2 one of the most cost-effective BMW key solutions currently available, especially for workshops handling mixed European imports. One useful tip before we wrap up: always label and archive your saved key files. It saves hours when customers return for spare keys later. If you've worked with BMW BDC or BCP systems before, drop your experience in the comments. I really want to know how this update changes your workflow. If this video helped you, show your support by smashing like, dropping a comment, hyping this video if you relate, and subscribing to Baabji Motors. Let's push this one to 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments together. Also, the exact tools used in this video are linked in the description with affiliate links. If you pick them up through those links, you support Baabji Motors at no extra cost to you. And if you truly want to support the channel long-term, consider joining our membership. It directly helps us bring deeper guides, faster updates, and more real-world testing. Thanks for watching till the very end. Keep learning, keep upgrading your skills, and as always, happy diagnosing with Baabji Motors.